Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Sprout HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bigblue.hrhub.ph and press enter. You will now be taken into the official employee login portal for the Sprout website. In order to log in, simply type in your username or the email address that you have set while creating your account and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Sprout HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Sprout HR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.